Carl Wilson wanted the latest phone. It cost $400. He begged his parents for it. "Sorry," they said, "it's too expensive." Still, Carl kept bugging them. He would not give it up. He cried to them like a baby. His parents felt bad. They wanted to make their son happy. Mr. and Mrs. Wilson saved some money. They bought the phone for Carl's birthday. "Just be careful with it," they told him. "Of course I will be," he replied. Carl was so happy. He put the phone in his pocket. He ran to show it off to his friends. The phone slipped out of his pocket. It landed in a sewer.